Hello, my dear student. Today, I'll solve one question from normal distribution. Now, please check. You have a question. A random variable x follows normal distribution with mean 4 and standard deviation 0.5. So here your mean is 4 and standard deviation 0.5. Find probability of 3.8 less than x less than 4.3. And second question, find probability x less than 3.8. And third question, find probability when x greater than 4.3. The most important part here, the information. Without information we can't solve the problem. So here most important part, the information is given 0 to 0.6. Probability value is 0 point normal standard normal value is 0.2257 and 0 to 0.4 the value is 1.554. So this is one type problem. Another type problem, you can see it is this 0 replaced by minus infinity. I'll solve another problem. Now try to understand how to solve this problem. Solution. So please write down here. Here, what is your mean? Here mean is equals to m is equals to how much? 4. What is your standard deviation? In standard deviation, it is represented by sigma. Sigma is equals to how much? 0.5. Now we are going to solve question number 1. So our first question is, you want to find the probability that is 3.8 less than x less than 4.3. Okay, now you have a one, you need to use one transformation. How to do that is very easy. Probability 3.8 minus m by sigma less than x minus m by sigma less than 4.3 minus m by sigma. Clear? So everywhere you have to subtract on minus m by sigma everywhere. Okay, now we are going to find the solution of it. Now we are moving to the next slide. Okay, so now is it clear to all of you? So whatever the information you have, according to that you have to replace. Okay, so now already you know what is your m value. Your m is equals to 4. What is your sigma? That is sigma is equals to 0.5. Substitute here. It is coming probability 3.8 minus 4 by sigma, that is 0.5, and this portion you replace by z. This is your standard normal variable, and here 4.3 minus 4 by sigma, that is your 0.5. Anyone, please write in comment what will be the value. If I simplify, what will be the value? Anyone, please try to solve. Please try to solve. Now I'm giving the time. Use your calculator and tell me the value. So here it is coming minus 0.2 by 2, that is coming minus 0.4 less than z less than, it is coming 0.3 divided by, that is, please check, it is coming 0.6. I'm waiting for you. Please check whether it is coming or not. Everyone, please check. Now I'm giving the time. Whether it is coming or not, please check. Okay, now already you know it is a normal distribution problem. Without curve, it is not possible. Now we are extracting one curve. Now, most important, every time, suppose you have a normal distribution problem, so you should have some graphical representation. Now try to understand that. Now, so here, so from here it is clear that is this is your 0.6, clear, and this one is your minus 0.4, if we can consider as a roughly, correct. So we want to find the total area we want to calculate, correct. So now our another important, this is the graphical representation of this requirement. Now we have our given information is starting from 0, so we need to connect this information with some 0. Then what you do, you can write minus 0.4 less than z less than 0 plus probability 0 is less or equals to z less than 0.6. Suppose you have a question in your mind, so can I consider this equal sign in this side? So any one side you may consider. So okay, either maybe here or maybe here. So now it is clear. So we have considered from minus 0.420 and 0 to 0.6. Okay, that is the total area. Now so you may write probability 0.0 less than z less than 0.4, you can write, plus whatever you have 0 less or equals to z less than 0.6. How is it possible? It is possible by only symmetry. Clear? Is it clear? So minus 0.4, that is the this portion. If I can draw the figure, then you can understand clearly. Suppose you have this curve. Okay, now try to understand this, it will be better for you. Now suppose you have this minus 0.4, correct. So this area 0 to this area is nothing but, because normal distribution is a symmetrical curve about the origin. Same thing is here. If you want to calculate 0.4 is nothing but this same area. So that's why I have replaced minus 0.420 is equals to 0 to 4. Why we are considering? Because our given information is based on 0 to 0.4. Clear? Now from the given information, what you have, 0 to 0.4 is given 1.554. So please write down 0.1554 plus, what is the second information? It is coming 0 to 6 is 2.2257. 0.2257. Now you add all together. What is coming? Now everyone please use your calculator. Everyone use your calculator. Find the solution. It is coming 1, 1, 8 and 3. Please check. So this is the solution of question number 1. Okay. So everyone write, whether it is clear or not, write your valuable comments and subscribe my channel. Okay, is it? I think it is clear to all of you. It's very simple. You try to solve at least one question. At last I'll give some one question to you. You should follow this question and try to find the answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. What is your next question? Question number second part. What is your second question? So this is your second question. X less than 3.8. Let's see. Same process, probability x less than 3.8. Then what you do? You have to write upper limit, lower limit wise. So from here you may write minus less than infinity, less than x, less than 3.8. Same process. You have to rewrite this. That is probability minus infinity minus m by sigma x minus m by sigma 3.8, that is 3.8 minus m by sigma. Now anyone please write in chat box what is your m and what is your sigma. So anyone, what is your m and what is your sigma? So here m is equals to 4 and sigma is equals to 0.5. Okay, so now you substitute the value. So probability minus infinity like minus 4 by 0.5 less than z, it is coming 3.8 minus 4 by 0.5. Ultimately it is coming probability infinity less than z, it is coming minus 0.4. Now again you draw the figure. This figure is important, already you know from the normal distribution problem. It's very important. Now you draw the figure, then you can understand everything. Now what you have, so basically suppose if I can consider 0 minus 0.4, from the figure it is clear we need to calculate the area about this position. Okay, then what you do, already you know, that is the total area. Okay, so from here we may write this minus this, the total value minus, you may write probability minus infinity less than z less or equals to 0 minus this minus probability minus 0.4 less than z less than 0. Clear? So total value minus infinity to 0 and then this. So from here you already know the value is 0.5 minus probability 0 less than z less than 0.4. How you can write this? It is by symmetry from the last example. So already you know how to transform your positive to negative part by symmetry. You have it. Now anyone please tell me the value. This is your 0.5 minus what is the value? 0 to 0.4. Anyone from the given information, please write in chat box what is the value, given value. Anyone? Your given value is 0.1. What is your given value? 0 to 0.4, 0.1554. So now you subtract 0.5 to that value. What is your value? Now use your calculator. How much value is coming? Calculate. It is coming 6. Then it is coming 4. It is coming 4. And it is coming 1. That is 3. Please check whether it is coming correct or wrong. 4, then 6, then 4, 4. It is coming to now. This is the solution of the second question. Is it clear? So please remember this line is very important. Okay, this line is very important. This one, always whatever the value you have in your question paper, you have to connect with that result. Okay, I think it is clear. If it is clear, please write in chat box it is clear or not. Write your valuable comments if it is correct. If any part is not clear, let me inform. Okay, now same process, you can have the same process to find the solution of the second question, third question. What is your third question? Is it clear? One by one, please write down. The step is very simple. Or whatever the problem you have, first you have to rewrite in upper limit, lower limit base, then you have to subtract minus m by sigma in every places. So you have to write, then you substitute the value of m and sigma, whatever what are available in your question paper. Then you substitute and you have this relation. Now you need to create your normal curve. You have to find the area, which part is your requirement area. Okay, so according to the given information and according to the given information, you need to connect with your requirement. Okay, so this is the calculation. And please don't forget to mention the symmetry. So from 0 minus 0.4 to 0 to 0.4. So I have replaced it. How? Because of the property of the symmetry of the normal curve. Okay. Property of the normal curve. Now come to the third one. What is your third question? Your third question is find probability x greater than 4 point how much? 4.3. Okay, 4.3. Same process. You need to rewrite this. 4.3 less than x less than infinity. Now you write down same process. Probability 4.3 minus m by sigma x minus m by sigma infinity minus m by sigma. So already you know what is your m is equals to 4. What is your sigma? 0.5. Now you substitute the value. So it is coming probability 4.3 minus 4 by sigma means 0.5 less than z less than infinity. So that means whether you are subtracting, okay, you may write this infinity minus 4 by 0.5. Ultimately it is coming to, that is probability 0.6 less than z less than infinity. So this is our required probability. Same process, you have to draw the figure of your normal curve. Okay, so you have to draw the curve now. So here it is 0.6, correct, and this is your infinity, this is your 0, and it is your minus infinity, correct. So we need to calculate this area. Then what you do? Very simple. So from here you may write probability 0 less or equals to z less than infinity minus probability, that means total value, minus this value, that is 0 less than z less than 0.6. Clear? Now it is coming, it already you know the half probability is 0.5, and this is the value. What is your given value? Anyone? I'm waiting for you. So already you have a formula information in your question paper. Please check what value is given. Please check. Value is given 0 point how much? Please write in chat box. Please write in chat box how much value you have. Zero point 2257. Okay, thank you. Now you subtract it. Now you subtract it. You subtract, use your calculator. Everyone, I'm waiting for it. Everyone, please calculate the value. 0.5 minus 0.2257. Calculate, quick. Write in chat box. It is coming 3, then it is coming 4, it is coming 7, 2. Please check. Please check whether subtraction is correct or wrong. Okay. Okay. So this is the total solution of the question. Total. So now, anyone, if you have any doubt, please write to me in chat box. I'll give the reply. Okay. Everyone, you should connect. If any part is not clear, let me inform so that I can rectify your doubts. Okay. Now, now, I'm giving one. If those who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and I'll give different types of problem topic wise. And if you can see any benefit is there, you can share this information to other friends also, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, now you write down the question, your homework. Everyone you should complete your homework. Just you have to check whether your concept is clear or not. I'm giving this question homework based on this question, correct? Whatever I have solved now, so just similar to that. Now please write down the homework. Everyone you have to finish your homework and let me inform your calculation. Okay, so please write down a random variable, capital X follows normal distribution with mean 70 and standard deviation 5. Okay, number 1, find probability 66 less than x less than 77. Number 2, probability x less than 66. Number 3, same question, probability x greater than 77. Okay, given condition 1 by root 2 pi 0 to 0.4 e to the power minus t square by 2 dt is equals to 0.1554. Another one, 0 to 2 pi 0 to 0.8 e to the power minus t square by 2 dt is equals to 0.2881. Now you try to understand, this is the given homework. Now I have replaced the data only. So in previous problem, whatever I have solved, your mean was 4 and standard deviation 0.5. I have replaced the data. In previous problem you have 3.8 less than x less than 4.3. Now I have replaced 66 less than x less than 77. Just you have to change the data, you can find the solution, correct? So another point is there. Here I have in last question whatever I have solved here. So 0 to 0.4 and 0 to 0.6. So one part I have considered same and second one I have considered as a different, that is 0 to 0.8. The process remains same, correct? So everyone, this is my request to all of you, everyone, you have to complete your homework and you send to me. My number is 703127921. This is my WhatsApp number. After solving this you can send me. Okay. Thank you. And still I'm requesting you, if you are not subscribed my channel still, so please do subscribe my channel, you will get some valuable information. Okay, thank you. And everyone, you have to complete your homework. Just you have to check whether your concept is clear or not. Okay, thank you.